In the vast tapestry of Earth's history, one event stands monumental: the rising waters of creation, often called nature's baptism day. As ancient ice sheets melted more than 10,000 years ago, they ignited a global renaissance, reshaping landscapes and life itself. These waters breathed life into barren terrains, leading to lush ecosystems thriving in varied climates. This transformation heralded the dawn of new species adapting and evolving in newfound habitats. Witnessing this grand deluge, we experience nature's power to renew and redefine. The profound impact of these waters still echoes today, reminding us of nature's eternal cycles of creation and renewal.